Welcome YouTube users. Today's tutorial is on how to set up the sensitivity with the correct MIDI module that came with the VAD 706. By default, several of these are incorrect. Let me show you the section I'm talking about. So right now I'm going to go ahead and hit the trigger button. And what you want to do is land on the sensitivity tab. You can do that by hitting F3. And you can see out of the gate that the kick drum that is in there by default is incorrect. The kick drum that comes with the VAD 706 is the KD-222 model. So to simply change that, just use your navigation buttons here to go up and down until you're on the trigger type. Then you're going to use your jog wheel and you're going to go ahead and change that to the KD-222. And there we go, that's correct. Now in order to test the snare drum and the other devices, simply grab your drumstick, and in this case I'm going to go ahead and grab my stick and just tap the snare drum. If we go back over to the module, you'll see the snare drum is certainly correct. It's the PD-140DS. That is the right drum that came with the VAD 706. Okay, let's do the next one. Let's go ahead and try the first rack Tomtom. This is the 10-inch. And if we go back to the module, we'll see it's the TD-50X 100. Now that's incorrect. So we need to change that to the PDA 100, not PDX. So once again, just take the jog dial once the trigger type is highlighted and scroll through the settings until you find the PDA 100. There it is. So now I know I have that trigger type set correct for Tom number 1. Let's try Tom number 2, which is the 12-inch. If we go back over to the module, you'll see that triggered PDX 100. Again, that's incorrect. So let's change that. I'm going to go to the jog dial, and this should be the PDA 120, I believe. There it is, PDA 120. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is the floor tom-tom. Again, just tapping the drum sets the trigger to the drum that's aligned with that trigger. And okay, as you can see, that's incorrect as well. We do need to change that to the PDA 140F. I'm going to scroll backward. PDA 140F. Okay, so the floor tom-tom is correctly aligned. Let's check the rest. Alright, we're on the hi-hat. And the hi-hat shows correct. That is a VH14D. That model number is correct. Let's go to the first crash cymbal. That one shows up as a CY14CT. That's incorrect. This is a 16-inch cymbal that came with the kit. So let's change that. And the correct model number is the CY16RT. Okay, that looks good for crash cymbal number 1. Let's try crash cymbal number 2. Great, crash cymbal number 2 shows up correctly, and we've got one left, the ride cymbal. And it looks like the ride cymbal is a match. So we've got all 5 drums lined up correctly, the 2 crash cymbals, the ride cymbal, and the hi-hat. Anyway, hopefully this has helped you to get those trigger type alignments correct with the VAD 706 drum kit. Thank you.